Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome to a day in my life as a UB second-year MBA student. On my way to campus, I was able to find a parking spot. Good start to the day. On my way to Lockwood Library, my favorite part of the library is the silent study on Lockwood 4. On my way to go get lunch with my friends in the Commons. Finally, a warm and sunny day. On my way back to the management building for my first class, predictive analytics. On my way home before my next class, did some work and relaxed. On my way to my night class, walking to my night class in the management building. Second class, consulting practices. At last, time to head home after another productive day.